A winter storm warning is in effect starting tomorrow. The National Weather Service has issued a winter storm warning for Knox County, Kentucky. A strong blizzard is moving into the area. High winds, low temperatures, and heavy snowfall are expected. Roads and bridges may become slick, making travel hazardous. Only travel in an emergency. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Residents are advised to take shelter. Stay warm. Lock windows and doors to prevent drafts from cooling your homes. Residents are further advised to stay silent for the duration of a storm. Turn off all lights. Do not wear heavy fragrances. Keep children and animals quiet. Stay indoors. Lack of caution may result in injury or loss of life.